Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove cards from Amazon Prime Video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove a card from Amazon Prime Video, you just simply have to open your Prime Video application at first, and after opening the Amazon Prime Video application, just simply tap into your profile into the top right corner, and from there you will get to see this setting button at the top right corner. Again, tap into that, and after that you will get the option of my account. Tap into that option, and after that go to manage account section from here by tapping into this manage account button, and then you will get to see this page. Now into here you will get payment method option. Into here you just simply have to select this manage wallet option, click into that, and after that you will get to see all of the payment method that you have into here. You just simply have to tap into this remove option in order to remove a card or payment method from Amazon Prime Video. Just simply do that and your payment method is removed. By following these very easy steps, you can easily remove your payment method from Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.